Hey guys, CC Sport Cars here. Today I want to shoot with an MG TF 135. Yeah, let's just get on with the video. So, this has upgraded 4-pot brakes and also xenon headlights. Go around to the back. As you can see, I got my GoPro on there because I'm filming Scorpion exhaust. This exhaust costs £435, which is pretty damn expensive, but it does make an amazing sound. This also has an uprated throttle body, so yeah, it shifts quite nicely. But yeah.
Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubt.
So yeah guys, that'll be it for today's sort of like mini shoot. Was only out for about, I don't know, like half an hour I guess. But yeah, awesome little car, like a lot better than I thought it was going to be. Very comfortable, quite quick, you know, sounds pretty damn good as well. But it's a Lotus engine, 1.6 I think it is, no 8, 1.8, yeah 1.8. But yeah, honestly, awesome little car, and it's quite light and it pushed out 135 horsepower, but the owner's got plans to get it remapped and get like a pops and bangs map. So there might be a future video, sort of, I don't know, explaining what's happening, but that'll be for the foreseeable future. So anyways, thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.